X-75-4 Guntank was the first prototype of Federation Forces mobile suit developed by Operation V. However, it was said to be closer to a tank rather than a mobile suit. Had the torso and arms of a mobile suit, but possessed caterpillar treads for legs. A major flaw of the Guntank is its inability to turn its torso, making it difficult to aim the cannons at moving targets, as the Guntank must reposition itself. Another major flaw is that its design was primarily for ground combat, resulting in it having poor maneuverability in space.